Civil engineering. Requirements of every century. New techniques. Change the dynamics of world. Seven Wonders of World creates unbelievable impacts. 3D Educators offers most demanding courses of this century. Introducing BIM. Building Information Modeling. 3D Studio Max. Navis Work. Latest project management techniques. PMP accredited training with 35 PDUs. Unbelievable Primavera. Primavera scheduling. Primavera costing. Primavera resourcing. EPPM. Manage enterprise project management through Primavera. EPM. Manage portfolios through Primavera portfolio management. Primavera manage contracts. Unifier. Unifying Primavera management. Learn hands-on and practical project-oriented training with trainer and consultants. Our major certifications. Our clientele. Contact us. Join us wherever you are. The Global Institute of International Certifications. Register now.